everywhere out here. That's what you just gotta do. You got to ride this. You gotta become a prospector machine. You gotta get folks everywhere. You ain't got time to beg folks and plead with them. You just gotta go through the numbers. It's millions of folks out here. We gotta go through them. Then when you're doing this and you ride through this, you build 1,000 people, Cedric. The ball game really over at 1,000 because it's why. By the time you get 1,000 inside of here, you're gonna have 8 to 10, at least 10 key people that just like you. They're gonna want them 1,000 to 10,000. So when these 10 get them 1,000, you got 10,000. It's about them. So it's about pouring into people. When you identify leaders, you don't alienate leaders. You pour into leaders. You pour into them and say, wait a minute, hold up. This is a leader. Can be one of these people where you have to spot that in them. Just like little kids have certain things you spot them when they're young. You spot leadership when it's young, when it don't look like it, when it's in the hood, when it don't look nothing other like leadership supposed to look. You spot leadership. Then when you spot leadership, you jump on leadership, and you develop this leadership as key people. And the reason why they don't leave us is because I'll never leave them. I tell somebody, I said, the only way we ever break up is you quit me. I'll never quit you. I'll never quit pouring into you. I'll never quit giving you what you need. I keep giving you nourishment. I keep giving you this. I keep giving you this. I keep giving you this. The only way we ever break up is you leave. I won't never leave. You can't do nothing to make me mad. You can't do nothing to make Ida mad. You can't do a thing at all. And no matter what you do. Now, the only exception maybe to that would be if you did something illegal that could get us kicked out of, get our company shut down.
Right.
Then we got to draw a line there. We just have to draw a line there because we can't afford to get shut down because everybody opportunity exists on this. Not just mine and others, you and everybody. So we can't let one person shut us down because they won't do some fooling. But assuming nobody trying to do that, okay, hey, you're going to make mistakes my way. Don't give a flip about none of that. Give a flip only about one thing. It's called MyEcon. Go build your economy. You end up with, so if you get 1,000, inside these 1,000, you're going to have 10 or 12 sharp leaders. They're going to be hungry just like you. These 10 are going to do that. Now, you may have them today, I don't know. But they will be developed and they'll be ready. Going from, this is the hardest thing to get to is 1,000. Getting to 10,000 is easy. Because by this time, a lot of this you do without any help. In terms of real leadership and real developed leadership. A lot of this you have to do without any real help in developing in leadership. They ain't ready. They want to be, but they not. But by the time you get here, you're going to have somebody else. Because you ain't going to get here without having somebody else that's fighting with you.
Right.
These 10 going to fight with you. You identify these 10. Then you keep going, you keep getting them to develop them 10. Them develop 10. Get to 1,000 people, 10,000 people. Out here now, the bigger the power get, the bigger the recruiting number goes. See, our recruiting numbers is so phenomenal now that in down days, down weeks, we have down months. They're better than anything we've had in the past. And that's a down day. A good day is way the heck up here. But a down day used to be what we call a good day. Because you have so many people. You have so many people. It ain't never been a day I can never, I know it ain't. It's never been a day in the history of this company that we don't get recruits, that we don't get sales, that we don't get all this stuff happening. So when you get a team of 1,000 plus people, you ain't never gonna have a day that somebody ain't joining your team from somewhere that you ain't got nothing to do with. And that thing just rolling up. Now it's just rolling up at $30 a head. And now all of a sudden, you go out here and you drop 1,000 people on the team. That's 30 grand a month. So now, if you got 10,000 people out here, okay, these 10,000 people, let's go with the side first with $8 a pop. That's $80,000 right there.
I got 12,000 people, over 12,000 people in my last opportunity.
But you wasn't getting that kind of dough.
I already know. I already looked at the numbers.
Now see, watch this. See, this is $8 a pop just on them paying up $35. $8 a pop. Let's come down here to product. Okay? Let's take product. Let's say that you can get them just to not to do nothing other spectacular, but get $25 worth of CV. Now that ain't a lot of CV. Bobby, put your phone. You got a calculator? In my phone. Here's one right here. Take this right here. Get that.
Too many nuggets, man.
Open this right here.
Too many nuggets.
Open that right here. Get that right here. Watch this right here.
Hope y'all ready.
Watch this. Okay, $25 CV. Okay, now that ain't nothing but them just selling a 10 or 12 family member identity there, right? 12 people at identity there if you there. Product sale, what? You ain't out. See, I'm not coming out going trying to get like most of these companies want you to do $200-300 worth of products a month. Right. Ain't nobody gonna do it. So give me 25. Now give me 14% of $25, Bobby. $25 times 14%.
3.5.
$3.50. So that's $3.50. So you're gonna make $3.50 on this. So if you get all of your team just to average $25 CV, 10,000, Bobby, times $3.50. Just hit that times $3.50. That's 35.
What you got?
$35,000. You already got 80,000. Well, if you got 10,000 people, how is it possible? How is it possible? Is it any way possible that you wouldn't bring 2,000 new people in if you didn't do nothing? Or with that 20%? That's 20% new enrollments a month, whether you do nothing. I'm saying you as an individual, you got 10,000 on the team. Should I go with, you want me to go with 1,000 or you want me to go with 2,000 a month? Let's just go with 1,000. Let's go with 1,000. Let's go with 1,000. 1,000 a month times $30. 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. That's 30 grand. 35 is 65 plus 80. There's 10,000 people, Doc. See, it ain't possible that they won't recruit. I think they'll recruit 2,000 here. These are new recruits. These are product sales. And this here is DTR. See, we built this company for us to get rich. But also, here's what I'm doing. This is what I'm telling you now. Watch what I'm telling you now, okay? Watch what I'm telling you. Everybody built their company for them to get rich. So if we did put all the money in if we didn't get in the marketing plan, could we ever let you make more money than we make without a fight? See, if you sit up here in management and you the CEO, and you get a joker down here in the field, start to making $2-3 million a month in your company, it's gonna be a fight. If you ain't making that money, you ain't gonna pay him more than you make. Right. So you're gonna have a fight. So that's what happened to all the big networks. They ain't never figured that out. See, as soon as they start making big money, them in management have a fight. Cause let me tell you, I got a secret. I gotta get out here in a few minutes, but let me tell you, I got a secret. Every network comes on the planet, they got a bunch of rules except us. And when you join their company, you're gonna violate the rule. And when you a little guy violating the rule, they don't give a damn. But go get to be a big guy, violate the rule, then they're gonna bring the rule book up. That's how they can fire you. But when you was a little guy violating the rule, they don't give a damn. They know you're gonna violate the rule. But what they want you to do is when you get up here, you got 10,000 plus people, now they're gonna start talking about you violating rules. And then they're gonna go spread disease to your team that you the one is this. That's why they got all this stuff about non-compete, this, you leave, you can't do
only this company.
All this. They want you to be tied to them. We ain't got none of that stuff. We ain't got no non-compete. You do all the companies you want to do. We ain't got nothing. Here's my thing. I ain't afraid nobody can beat us. I did learn this about basketball. They go mano-mano. And mano-mano, you can't beat us. See, I tell you, I ain't learned nothing about fundamentals. When I tell you when I first heard of fundamentals of basketball, I was sitting up there one day, and I had not had cable TV growing up, and I was watching Magic Johnson and Larry Bird in the college, when they was in college. not just at Fountain, but throughout their college. And I heard Dick Vitale say, young guys need to watch the fundamentals. I said, damn, that's why I couldn't play basketball. I never worked on fundamentals. So I never worked on dribbling. I worked on, I can just jump on your head and dunk on you. I just worked on, okay, I'm down low. I'm gonna power through you if you get in the way. See, I've never worked on fundamentals. So all of a sudden, when I went to college, now I'm 6'2", I ain't got no fundamental skill called dribbling. That's a fundamental skill for a 6'2", or anybody really on the basketball court. So I can't now dribble. So now guys my side playing guard. Well, you can't beat them and you can't compete with them because you can't dribble. They run down the floor, outrun me dribbling. So now somehow or another, I had no fundamental. So I made up my mind. I said I'll never get beat another day in my life. Because what I'll do is I'll learn fundamentals. And what I'm known of at MyEcon is I'm the most fundamental teacher at MyEcon.